There's a dog on my lap, so what do you want to do? You want to get up? You want to lay on the flannel? Go there, go ahead. She listens very well. Hi, how's it going? I'm assuming you said good. Hold on, let me adjust my chair. There we go. We do it right here on the SB Mitch channel. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now, and I also have a website that you will find all these sneakers for sale on today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that website is called Ransom Note Sneakers. The web address is ransomnotesneakers.com. It's Friday, Beater Box Day. This box comes to us from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a members-only beater box program that is unfortunately closed, and I don't think they're going to be opening any spots up. But it's still a really cool shop. Definitely check them out, solesupremacy.com. This box was, what, $825 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $865. Now, these boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance you'll make some money on them. But follow along with clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the actual value of the box. But to get to that point, we got to open it, so we're going to do that right now. This is usually a really good price range. I don't like to go after boxes that are over $900 because usually when that happens, it's not good. So, all right, looks like there's no loose shoes in here. That's good. There's a bunch of NMDs, so we'll grab those out. This is a size 10 NMDR1. What colorway is this? It's a worn pair, but it's a really nice colorway actually. It's this like dark blue, and it's got this almost like staticky looking thing going on with it. Very, very lightly worn. No heel drag or anything, which is pretty common. Just needs a really good cleanup, and yeah, pretty slick shoe. Size 10 is a weird size for me to sell. I really like this colorway, I'm not gonna lie. Nice little pop of white with the pull tab on the back. So there you go, size 10, NMDR1. I don't know what the colorway is called, but it came with some New Era pins. That's pretty cool. There's one. There's another NMD in here, so let's get it out of the way. This is an NMD XR1 PK. PK stands for Prime Knit. These are, I think, are these the zebra ones? No, the zebra ones have red on them. But this is also a size 10. It's an NMD XR1 that has this weird looking cage on it. These are a little bit more worn than the other pair. There is a little bit of heel drag here, but not much. A little bit of discoloration on the outsole and the midsole. But it's a pretty, you know, muted colorway. You can't go wrong with gray, black, and white. It pretty much goes with anything if you're into matching stuff. But here's your second shoe out, an NMD XR1 PK. I want to say it's some kind of like, it's not zebra, because zebra is white and black. I know what those ones look like. So those are out of the way. Let's see what's going on here. We got a size 11 Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. So these appear to be dead stock. I'm going to grab the right shoe because it's easier. These appear to be dead stock. This is an Air Jordan 11 Retro Low IE, I think is the actual kind. What is the colorway? It says Silver Zest White. I think the zest is this little bit of yellow on the outsole and the Jumpman on the tongue. But these IEs, they don't have patent leather, but they have these like breathable vents in here, which is, I guess, cool. These look a little bit older. They're probably from like 2007 or something like that. Yeah, it looks like 2007, lucky guess. But it's a pretty cool colorway. It's like a cool grayish looking thing, so there you go. A little bit of outsole discoloration too. I didn't say anything about that. Size 11, retail on these is 115, but this is old, so I don't know what the market is on these, but it's dead stock, so that's good. Size 11, Air Jordan 1 Retro Low IE, I think. It's the white zest colorway. Huh, interesting. Pretty cool. Oh wait, it's not a Retro Low. What am I talking about? This one is though. It's an Air Jordan 11 Retro Low in a size 11 again. Same deal, but a different colorway. So it looks like this is the black version of the last one we got. It's this black upper. The stitching is all this zest color along with the zest Jumpman and the zest outsole. Take a drink every time I say zest. There's a retro card in here, so that's pretty cool. This is probably from 07 again. This probably came together as a pack, but these are really nice. I mean, these remind me kind of like a Thunder-ish colorway. I don't mean Oklahoma City Thunder. I mean Thunder 4s, Thunder 14s, etc., etc. Very nice colorway. Again, don't know what the market is on these, but this is a little bit older. Size 11 is a good size too, so There you go. Jordan 11 Retro Low IE in the black Zest colorway. Those are actually really good ones to get. I don't know if they're very like valuable, but I think they're pretty cool. So here's a 6 youth of an Air Jordan 11 Retro grade school. Ooh, this is a good one. So this is the 2012 release of the Air Jordan 11 Retro Bread, or the Playoff if you're old school. These are a little bit worn, not hardly at all though. I mean, just some stuff on the outsole. Very little toe box creasing on the patent leather. You can see Jumpman fully intact in there still. So yeah, this is a pretty decent size. This is a really, really good shoe to get. A lot of people are dumping their pairs because these are releasing at the end of the year. I think in full family sizing again, but size 6.5, easy 9 out of 10 condition of a Bread 11. Cool, 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 cool. That's a good shoe. This box is awesome already. Let's keep it going here. This is an Air Jordan 4 Retro LS. These are all really good models. This is awesome. No, these are super lightly worn, but they have everything with it. This is the Oreo 4. This is a very, very nice colorway. These are in phenomenal shape. Just a little bit of outsole wear. No cracking, barely any toe box creasing anywhere. Yeah, these are in solid shape. I mean, the Jumpman on the inside is just worn out, so these are solid 8, 9 something out of 10. It's got the hang tag too. That's pretty awesome. Woo! This is a good get. I know these aren't like super valuable, but this is a really easily movable shoe because it's mostly black and it's a Jordan 4. Biggest difference on Jordan 4 LSs is they have this leather heel tab instead of the plastic. But very nice shoe. Size 10 is okay. These are probably about 150 to 175, I would imagine. Size 10 Air Jordan 4 Retro LS in the Oreo colorway with the original everything. Cool. It's not very often when you get a 4 or a 3 that the hang tag is still in the box. It's pretty cool. So we got 2 more in here. This is an Air Jordan 3 Retro in a size 10. This is the 2011 release of the True Blue 3. You can see it's just a tiny bit, I don't know, you probably can't see. A little bit of heel drag on there. Barely any stars are gone. A little bit of toe box creasing. I mean, these are 8 years old, so they have some years on them. Midsole paint is a little bit cracked, but again, older shoe. It's going to be cracked. This is a really nice colorway. I'm a huge fan of 3s. If I could pick a 3 besides the black cement that I would wear consistently, it would be the infrared 23 3s. I think those are really nice looking. But this is still a really nice colorway. Decent size, but it comes with everything. It comes with the original box. So True Blue 3s from 2011, size 10. Cool. This box is fun. I'm a big fan of this box. And here's the money shoe. The box is a little beat up, but you can tell right away just from the top, seeing what it is. It says Nike swoosh. This is a collaboration with Virgil Abloh of the Off-White brand, now of Louis Vuitton. This is from Request Boutique. That's hilarious. The 10 Nike Air Presto in a size 9. This is the black colorway of the Nike Air Presto from the second release. I don't see a zip tie in here. That's kind of a bummer, but hey, that's okay. There you go. Black colorway, comes with the orange laces, obviously. These are just worn and just need a good cleanup. So a little bit of the little dots on the outsole are a little bit gone. I'm gonna dig in here and see if I can find the... Okay, so no zip tie, that's all right. A lot of people take it off anyway. Still a really nice shoe, really good colorway too. So size 9, very good size and solid shoe. There you go. Yeah, this box is really good. Pancake, you are right in the way. Pancake, what are you doing? It's a weird dog. Let's give this box a grade. Switching it up, we're doing it over this way. I do it the other way usually. So, get a grade through 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of shoes in this $825 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 2 of them are dead stock. Looks like they all have the original box, and all of them are in really good shape. This is phenomenal. Condition on this box, we'll give it an A. Sizes, we have 10, 10, 11, 11, 6.5 youth, 10, 10, 9. Nothing too big, nothing too small. This is actually really good sizes too. 10 is a little bit of a weird size for me to move, but that's okay. Sizes on this box, we'll say B+. Value. I think this is probably one of the most valuable $825 boxes I've ever gotten. And I don't know how many $825 boxes I've ever gotten. But hey, this is a really good box in my opinion. I gotta give it a solid A. So with the grade of A for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of A for value, this $825 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of A. yeah, A. A is good. Let's say A. So I gave this box an A. I have a feeling it's really, really good, but let's look at the numbers and see if I'm right.
Big down!
This is me being pumped about this box. This box is really good. I am very, very, very into this entire box because it's really easily movable models, decent sizes, and the two that are kind of tough sells, besides the NMDs, those Jordan 11s, they're dead stock. Awesome box, Sole Supremacy. Thank you. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless someone on StockX or GOAT gets them first. That website is ransomnotesneakers.com. Check it out. Sign up for the e-newsletter because I never update it or send it out. Hopefully I have a new mic by the next video. I know it's a little bit echoey, but hey, quality is not my goal here. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I have one more beater box we got to open, 2 more on the way. One of those is going to be a live unboxing. I'll have details for that. I love doing the live unboxings. It's really cool to interact with y'all. We're so close to 10K too. Gonna be a good giveaway for that too. There's just so much exciting things going on with this channel, and I couldn't do it without you, the viewers. So thank you for taking the time. Remember to take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.